So for this project, I am using a standard sticky note, and most people typically use a 9x9 centimeter piece of paper, but I'm going to be using a 7x7 piece of sticky note, which is going to create a smaller card. If you want a bigger card, use a bigger piece of paper. So first I'm folding it in half to create a rectangle, and then I'm going to fold it again to make a square. Make sure we get those creases. Then we're going to fold it on its diagonal and create a triangle. Once our triangle is created, we're going to grab a pair of scissors and we're just going to cut out a round petal shape. So with my scissors, I'm just going to do that. And you should end up with a little heart when you unfold it. When you completely unfold it, it's going to look like this. So I have a crayon in my hand, and I'm just going to take this crayon and I'm going to scribble on it and color it to my liking. This is just me showing you the areas I shaded. And this is after coloring, so you only have to color about 6 petals for this project. You do not have to color all 8 because one is going to be cut off and the other one's going to be pasted, and you're going to see how. So we're going to take our scissors and then we're going to cut off one petal. So then we're going to take our colored petal and our blank petal and we are going to overlap them and glue this down. And then we're just going to fold up so we have this 3-petal cup. Just like that. The next thing we're going to do is take our glue. You can use double-sided tape if you want, but I'm going to be using liquid glue. And we're going to take our little cup and we're now going to follow these dots. So the first place we're going to glue are the corners. And we're going to take another one of our cups and we are going to put those down on the corners like this. Okay, now we're going to take our next one and we're going to put 3 dots on top of glue and we're going to paste down another one of our flower cups. Next, we're going to put 2 dots of glue on each side and then paste down 2 more flower cups. And then we're going to put 3 dots of glue on top and paste down our last flower cup, which I'm grabbing right now. Once it's done, we're going to take our construction paper card and we're just going to take a little bit of glue on the top petal. And then repeat it on both sides, squishing nice and down. This is the outside of the cards that I decorated. You can decorate yours however you want. And when you open up your card after it dries, it should look like that. I hope you like this tutorial. Bye!